Hi, sixth graders. So our first activity, we are going over physical properties and density. The chart below shows the physical properties of various objects. So here are objects that are dependent on the amount of matter. So our equation is density equals mass divided by volume. Complete the data table and then label the density column to the right, indicating how the objects will layer based on their densities. I'm going to complete the first three. So I'll show you an example of how to find volume. I'll show you an example of how to find mass, and I'll show you an example of how to find density. Let's start with the first one. We have our object, which is vegetable oil. Our mass is 18.83, and our density is 0.922. To find my volume, I'm going to do density divided by mass. So I'm going to do 18.83 divided by 0.922. You are highly encouraged to use a calculator as you solve. You'll see that my answer is 20.42. 20.42. To solve for mass, I do density times volume. So in this case, I'm going to do 18, which is my volume. I'm going to do 1, which is my density, times 18, which is my volume, and I get 18 as my mass. For number 3, to solve for density, I do mass divided by volume. So in this case, I'm going to do 9.565 divided by 0.5. And I get 19.13. 19.13. So how I solved 1, 2, and 3 is how you are going to solve 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Be sure to use these formulas we see over here to help us solve. After you finish solving for 4 through 10, we're going to be putting it onto our density chart. So we're going to put the most dense at the bottom, which would be gold. We have, because we can see 19, once you solve for these other ones, you're going to see that they're lighter. And our least dense is going to go on the top. And I'm going to tell you that one is going to be our liquid nitrogen. It is your job to fill in the rest. So you're filling in for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and you're filling in the rest of the density column. Good luck, and be sure to use your calculator.